Hey affiliates, are you ready to see our list of the 5 highest grossing supplements on ClickBank for all of 2024? These are the products that made the most sales throughout the year, covering niches ranging from blood sugar support to weight loss and even ear health. You'll find all these top selling offers for 2024 on the marketplace right now, just in time for a stampede of people looking to make good on their latest resolutions in the new year. Now, you might be telling yourself, well, if these offers are so good, well, they were good before, but not now. Why would I promote them into 2025? Well, that's a massive mistake. In fact, we've done a lot of content recently where if an offer worked a long time ago, maybe it reached saturation, but if it hasn't been promoted in 60 days, or you haven't promoted in the last 60 days, or you're not seeing that same volume, you should definitely revisit. In fact, you'll find that oftentimes those same conversions that made this a top selling offer before will still be there, and now it's gonna be refreshed because it wasn't getting all that attention. So with that, I'm sure you're ready to boost your income while helping customers who need health solutions. Here's our countdown of the top 5 best-selling supplements in 2024. Starting off, we have Prodentum. This was a monster offer. It's in Spanish and English country, which is El Prodente, is now a classic offer on the ClickBank marketplace. This melting probiotic candy product is one of a kind for dental health supplement, containing a blend of about 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients to support oral health. What that really means for you and for affiliates is the Prodentum offers an outstanding earnings with an average APC of 1.25 and a high converting VSL written by a top ClickBank copywriters. The offer appeals to a wide audience, but especially with individuals aged 35 plus seeking a natural alternative for dental and overall health. Prodentum gives high volume traffic affiliates a really nice commission bump, and some of the top affiliates in the space have promoted this one and done very, very well, and they've been promoting it, some of them, for even years. Super, super consistent and amazing one to try. So I'm gonna give you a little recap on some of the stats you wanna pay attention to. EPCs at 1.27, and this is with an offer that's been one of the top offers for more than just this year. An average payout for you of $137.21 with conversion rate still, and for all traffic and all affiliates, getting 1.05, making it one of the top converters out there. This is one you almost can't lose with. So bite strong and promote Prodentum because it's been great for years, this year, and probably for years to come. So let's come in with number 4, where we have the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a revolutionary dietary supplement designed to tackle the root cause of stubborn belly fat: poor sleep quality. With its proprietary blend of 8 natural superfoods, including valerian root, hops, spirulina, blue, and berberine. Wow, that was a real mouthful. This powerful formula works to improve sleep, optimize metabolism, enhance overall health. This tonic product also comes with 2 bonus books: the Revolutionary Anti-Aging Blueprint and the Bulletproof Confidence, for those who purchase a 3 or 6 bottle bundle. What that really means for you is bigger AOVs, meaning that you're gonna get a large AOV and a better commission, capitalizing on the conversions that this one does very well on. So affiliates love Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic because of its massive earning potential. 85% commissions. I put my hand on the table because it's still at 85% commissions on your initial sale, and EPC's well over $1. This high converting offer is crushing it with weight loss niche, and thanks to both a broad audience and low refund rates is how it's able to do that. With this one, you'll enjoy optimized promotional materials, exclusive bonuses, and competitions throughout the year. Head to the marketplace and look into Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic right now. Also, just to recap on those stats, 1.39 in your EPC, an AOV of 135.39, and a conversion rate even higher than the epic, legendary Prodentum at 1.28%. This is a huge winner, and especially with slim down season coming on the cusp, you really want to get into Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Just creating a pattern disrupt for you guys as we recap 2024 to make sure that you subscribe to our content, to make sure you're getting all the best content as it comes out, and hit the bell at the top so you're notified. That way you don't miss out on the next big offer, the next big marketing strategy, or the next piece of information that's gonna change your business, and you could get to it before everybody else does. Hope you have a great 2024 and looking forward to an even better 2025. Let's jump back in. Let's go with number 3. We all love our coffee fat burning amazing offer, and that is Java Burn. Revamped for 2024, Java Burn is a revolutionary coffee enhancer that supports weight loss and boosts your metabolism. Don't just poop with your coffee, lose weight at the same time. This tasteless powder is mixed with coffee to trigger a powerful fat burning process in the body. It uses natural ingredients including green tea extract, chromium, and L-carnitine. Hopefully I said L-carnitine properly, but you'll have to look it up and find out yourself. All that means is it helps customers lose weight without having to make big changes to their diet or exercise habits. Woo! Sign me up. For affiliates, what you care about with a great product like this is it delivers a huge EPC of more than 1.6. That is massive. It converts well across several channels, including email, Google, and Facebook. Plus, think about how many people out there both drink coffee and want to lose weight. Everyone. This audience is such massive appeal, so it's going to convert great to a lot of different traffic sources and demographics. When it comes to your campaigns, you're going to be able to leverage Java Burn's high converting email swipes and promotional tools to maximize your earnings. So you want to give it a shot, maybe an espresso shot today. So again, the EPC is 1.62, AOV of 153.36, and a huge conversion rate of 1.23. Guys, you got to get started with Java Burn. Again, you might be thinking you're too late to the game. Hey, maybe this is dwindling out. Not at all. It is never too late. In fact, sometimes too late is the perfect time with some of these offers. So let's go into number 2. We have Prostate. Prostate is a cutting-edge prostate health supplement designed to address the root cause of prostate problems, as highlighted by a recent Harvard study on toxic minerals found in the U.S. tap water. These minerals could build up in the prostate and urinary system, leading to prostate enlargement and related health issues. Prostate is the only dropper that combines 9 powerful natural ingredients, including noriaki extract, sal palmetto, and pomegranate extract to promote a healthy prostate, improve urinary function, and support testosterone levels. So I actually want to pause and add one thing that's really, really great about this offer, especially for those copy nerds out there and they want to understand what makes an offer work. It has an amazing mechanism. They use a great metaphor to really bring that complex nutrient and all this stuff home, that people understand it and convert and say yes for this very, very painful solution. So for affiliates, Prostate offers high conversion rates, just like we were talking about, across native, Facebook, email, and Google, with an average EPC of, hold on, we're hitting a new high so far on the list, 1.7. The product targets a broad audience, but performs best with men age 45 plus. Probably don't want to send it to too many female audiences because they don't know what a prostate is, or at least don't have one, and focuses on alternative health solutions for prostate problems, ED, and low libido. Affiliates enjoying irresistible commission bumps and high conversions, making this one of the hottest offers of the year and really even 2 years on the marketplace. So try promoting Prostate today. Let's recap on the stat breakdown. 1.68 on our EPCs, $130.59 for the average payout to you. And we just like breaking records here because, hell, if we're doing the end of the year, let's make it the best. So we have a hop rate conversion rate of 1.45%, guys. That's still killing it, and it could be killing it for you tomorrow if you so want it. So let's go to number 1. Let's get a little bit of a drum roll. What do you guys think it is? And we have number 1, all-day slimming tea. Ooh, who doesn't want to slim with some tea? So it's finally here. The number 1 supplement for 2024 is all-day slimming tea, the free plus shipping version, which I'm really, really excited about. And I think that's substantial that we have a free plus shipping winning out the year in a tough economic time. This product is a powerful and natural tea blend that supports healthy weight loss, detoxification, better digestion, and improved sleep. Inspired by the traditional tea recipes of the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, one of the healthiest places in the world, the tea combines ingredients like green tea, oolong tea, Garcinia Cambogia, I'm pretty sure I didn't pronounce that right, but it sounded fancy, and ginseng root to elevate metabolism, block fat storage, and boost energy. The evening tea offers detoxification benefits and promotes better sleep, helping users feel regenerated each morning. Affiliates have seen huge success with this new free plus shipping funnel variation of the all-day slimming tea. And I actually want to pause and talk on that and just say, I think one of the reasons why is we talk a lot about the economic shifting in our markets, and low price tends to be a big change. This is why this is an offer that's Honestly, it's been great for a while, but it's really, really great to focus on right now because it converts well on virtually all traffic channels, from email, Facebook, Google, YouTube, and TikTok ads. With this one, affiliates can get access to a variety of handy tools, including email swipes, banners, and dedicated affiliate management team. No approval is required for this offer, so you're going to want to reach out, but it is a champion, so you should be running in line to ask for your approval today. Check out the marketplace listing so you could start promoting today and ask for that. Now, I'm going to share some stats, and you're going to think, oh my gosh, why is this so much lower? But again, this is a free plus shipping funnel, so some of these numbers are going to look a little bit lower, but wait till the end because the last number we're going to share should excite you quite a bit. So the EPCs here are coming in at 0.7 with an average payout to you of 14.59, but the conversion rate on this offer is 5.08%. That is an average, guys. That means some people are getting even higher than that. So this is a conversion monster. It's gonna make your campaigns feel good. It's gonna make all your paid media sources like you because consumers love this product. They love buying it, they love clicking on it, and you're gonna love making a lot of money off it, which is why it came in at #1. So as we wrap up, guys, it always feels a little easier to promote something that's already proven to be successful. You know the results are going to be there, and all of these offers are literally the top of the top offers in what's still the most popular category for ClickBank affiliates. Whether you go with Java Burn, All Day Slimming Tea, Prostate D, you're sure to have a product that gets conversions like clockwork, even if it's something that maybe hasn't been promoted or as popular in the latter half of the year. Now is the perfect time to get started. Don't forget, you're also going to put yourself in the best position for early 2025s because we have the huge influx of health-interested buyers. So now's the time to pick the next winning offer and get your campaign fine-tuned for next year. Aside from these great supplements, if you want to find out about the latest and greatest trending offers on ClickBank, be sure to check out our top offer segment here on YouTube and on our blog, linked in the description below. Until next time, have an amazing 2025, and we look forward to seeing your success and maybe even your offer as a top for 2025 next year.